Think about an activity that you haven't done for a very long time. Maybe you haven't kicked a football. Maybe you haven't gone bowling for a very long time. Now, what I want you to do is relax your body entirely by doing a small yoga nidra session or a non sleep deep rest protocol, as Dr. Andrew Huberman calls this. When you do yoga nidra, what you're going to find is your body is now completely relaxed. And the next step that I want you to do is dharana. Dharana means use your attention to do certain activities in your mind. So, if you haven't played football for a very long time, what I want you to do is use your attention in order to bring all the sensory vividness while playing football. I want you to imagine that you're kicking a football. You see a football in the ground. I want you to see how the glass blades, how the grass blades look like that are around the ball. I want you to see how the ball looks like, how round it is, how spherical it looks. And I want you to notice the colors that the ball has, maybe black and white. And I want you to see your own leg that it has a football boot attached to it. And I want you to run in your own imagination and kick the ball. I want you to notice the sensation that you feel when you kick the ball. I want you to note the sound that the ball makes when it is getting kicked by your foot. This is dharana. Dharana simply means using your attention to hold a particular mental imagery. And while doing so, I want you to provide all the sensory vividness to it. The things that you can see, the things that you can hear, things that you can smell, things that you can touch, things that you can taste. Everything. The more sensory vividness you provide to this mental act, the better your dharana becomes. And I want you to keep doing this act over and over again. And I want you to sleep while doing this. Now, remember, you haven't done this activity in your three-dimensional world for a very long time. You haven't played football for a very long time, or you haven't gone bowling for a very long time. Either way, you're doing this activity in your own mental imagination. Now, I want you to just forget about this thing and just go about your day as if you did nothing. But every night, I want you to do this exercise while you go to sleep at night. And one day, what you're going to notice is you're suddenly kicking the ball without even realizing it. That's when you must realize that you have leveled up to a point where you can now attract the hologram that you desire. Now you have become a master manifester. Now is the time to attract the life that is free from panic attacks. Now you can finally use yoga nidra and dharana correctly in order to completely overcome your panic attacks. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will hold your hand to success, I will teach you all the spiritual principles and I will give you all the coaching that I have learned from studying so many spiritual masters of the East like Osho, Vivekananda, and also manifestation experts from the West like Neville Goddard, Joe Dispenza. Then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment section down below as well. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.